Hi everybody, it's Robert Salter, the Owl Man, and we're just at another fantastic location. We're just doing what we call our returns today, where I checked the box previously on the 26th of June. We're just coming back today just to check on the owls and see if they're ringable, see that they're doing okay. Right, so I'm just going to go up to the nest box. I've got my beautiful wife and assistant with me today. So let's go up. Show your face. Right, we'll go up and we'll have a look what's inside. Let's see what we got. I say I was last year on the 26th of June. Oh wow. You've got two young in here. About 5 weeks old. Bit of prey there. Right, so I'll just come out of the box. Right, so just going to put a ring on now. It doesn't touch the leg. Just creates a nice loose ring, but not loose enough that it could go over the foot. So I always like to make sure that the ring's nice and tight, closed up. So yeah, so we'll just see. Yeah, that's a male bird. If I measure this 7th primary wing here, I can determine how old the bird is. That's 20 millimeters. So if we have a look on the graph, we'll be able to see what that equates to. So yeah, that owl was 32 days old, what I've just ringed. And this is, with the weight of the bag took off, that's 405 grams. That's a nice weight. Yeah, it's been really good this year, just ringing all these healthy owlets. I haven't come across any owlets this year that are, suffering from a lack of food, which it can happen in some years, but they've all just been real nicely fed. It's another absolute lovely bird, another male. Certainly getting a lot of male birds this year. Absolutely gorgeous, look at that, fantastic. In about another 3 weeks all this fluffy down would have gone and it'll resemble its parents. Yeah, fantastic. Lovely healthy bird. Not sure how many, I'm sure it's about 276, I believe, ring this year. It's certainly been a good year. The most of them I ringed in a year was 2014, where I ringed 395. That was one hell of a year, was that? And it was the same all over the UK. It was just an absolutely fantastic year. Don't know if we'll ever see a year like that again, but this year in East Yorkshire, it's certainly been a good year. That's 38 millimeters, slightly older than its brother, is this one. I'll just pop it in the bag and weigh it. We've got 450 grams, this one. So it's slightly older and it's heavier. Yeah. Two very healthy young birds. So we'll just get them back in the box. That'll be it. June time next year we'll be back. See how they're doing then. But usually after a good year, I do know from all these that I've been doing it, that when you have a good year, usually the next year isn't as good. So I hope that's not the case, because it's quite disheartening when you're checking all these boxes and box after box. It's just no owls doing anything in them. But we'll see what next year brings. But for now, let's just enjoy this year. Alright, I'm going to put them back in the box. Thanks for watching.